Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing wonderfully fine. We all love fairs, right from younger days to teenagers and even adult people. We all love going to various kind of fairs, be it art fair, art and culture, techno fair. We just love these kind of fairs. They attract huge crowd. We love the eatables, we love the ambience. So we all love these kind of fairs. Today we are going to discuss a new kind of fair, the Tarnetar fair, wherein young men and women select mates for each other. This has been going on since last 200 to 250 years. Your activity 2. A link is given www.gujaratourism.com. It is actually listed, and when you go on this website you would be able to see that they have very well given information. These are some of the images and the advertisement that they do when they talk about Tarnetar fair and its details. One of the best things of living in Gujarat is that you get to witness and be a part of several colorful and grand festivities. So this is one advertisement of Tarnetar fair. One of the many vibrant festivals is the annual Tarnetar fair that takes place in Surendranagar. The advertisement itself is very attractive. Little bit information about this. Held in the town of Tarnetar, about 8 kilometers from the town of Thangad in Surendranagar district. Legend goes that the fair has been happening here since 200 to 250 years. So it's been almost forever that it has been in demand. Historically speaking, it began as a tribute to Draupadi Swayamvara. This fair is a celebration of ethnic Gujarat's folk dance music, costumes and the arts, centered around very young tribal men and women seeking marriage partners. So what was this all about? It began as a tribute to Draupadi Swayamvar when the great archer Arjuna won her hand after shooting the eye of a rotating fish with an arrow by looking at its reflection in the water. So not only the young men and women who are wanting to search a spouse for them, but also people who are not interested in finding a spouse come with lot of excitement. It is said that the romance and excitement in the air is captivating, and every year the numbers keep on swelling. More number of tourists also come to enjoy this kind of fair. Here many colorful costumes can be seen. Glittering ornaments, free-spirited movements of folk dance all create a memorable scene. As the dancers surge in waves of circular movement, there is incessant throbbing of the drums. It just keeps on moving, and the drum beats continue throughout the day even as the dancers continue from one group to another. Many kinds of folk dances have been performed. By far the most popular is the Rasadas. As many as 200 women perform Rasadas in a single circle to the beats of 4 drums at a time and tunes of Jodia also. These Rabari women of Zalwar perform the famous circular folk dance. If a woman is wearing a red zimi, it means she has not yet tied the knot, probably seeking a husband. It has been seen that the potential husband who want to seek brides are very elegantly dressed. If you see in the picture, they wear colorful dhotis, artistically designed waistcoats and headcloth twisted at an angle. They move in the fairground with very beautifully striking umbrellas which are decorated in a beautiful manner. Okay. Next, there are hordes of great collection of handicrafts, ethnic jewelry, statues of deities and traditional attire which is difficult to be seen somewhere else. Also there are numerous sadhus and bhajan mandlis who are engrossed in singing continuously, accompanied by various folk instruments. Along with this, you would also be able to witness merry-go-rounds, photographer stalls, magic shows, tattoos, and artists who attract a very large crowd. Held in the town of Tarnetar, about 8 kilometers from the town of Thangad in Surendranagar district, legend goes that the fair has been happening here since 200 to 250 years. On your page number 54, information is given how to reach this place, and even on Google Map you would get information about this. There is connectivity of buses, road transport is very well developed here. Now let's move to the next slide. It is very important to note here that the Kolis of Saurashtra started the custom of embroidering the umbrellas in terms of embellishments. Small colorful handkerchiefs are attached round the edge and men spend a year embroidering them. This is really a fact. Their intention is to entice the girls with their art, clothes and headgear and impress them so that they can propose them for marriage. It is really not surprising that before the fair is over, they usually meet the lady of their choice. So this is something which is very new to hear. In my next link, I will be discussing about more information of the fair. I end my presentation here. Hope you would have enjoyed. Hope I have taken you to a tour of Tarnetar Fair. Thank you.